Alright, welcome back everyone. My name is Pratesh here with Kaizen Crypto, bringing you another video. So here today, quite a bit of news, a bit of controversy as well. An exciting video for you guys. Cardano is a poop coin, according to Blockstream CEO, in his recent attacks against Charles Hoskinson. We're taking a look at that. Also, we're seeing that the Google searches for buying cryptocurrency are on a steady uptrend since the beginning of the year and could potentially be breaking out of a previous level that we saw back all the way in June, July of 2017. Recently in the news, Emurgo has partnered with Bidali. So if you're familiar with any of these online retailers like Amazon, iTunes, Chipotle, Walmart, you are now able to use your Cardano ADA to be able to purchase gift cards for your favorite retailers. And if you guys stay till the very end, we're taking a look at some of the price charts here. Recently, we're seeing a bit of a dip, price support and resistance levels for ADA USD. So if you guys are interested in that type of content, be sure to stay tuned. All right, everyone. Thank you all so much for joining me here today. I hope you guys are all doing well. Quite a bit of news to go over here in this video. So to get things started, if you guys do find some value from this video, please be sure to drop a like for me. If you're interested in Cardano content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know any comments that you have down in the comment section below. So recently, we see the CEO of Blockstream, Adam Back, coming out and bashing Charles Hoskinson along with many other CEOs in the crypto industry. Adam Back is an early adopter of Bitcoin and the founder of Blockstream, who made clear that Bitcoin will probably not be the project from which Hoskinson and Cardano are welcomed with open arms. Back first shared the podcast Unhashed, in which Bitcoin developers Peter Woolley, Russell O'Connor, and Andrew Palestra talked about fundamental flaws of proof of stake. A Twitter user, shout out to Cardano Bot, commented on Back's post saying, "Don't worry, I have a buddy who understands it better than the ghost Satoshi," and he tagged Charles Hoskinson. And you know what? POS is working so much better than proof of work, with so many more things to come out. How about that? And thereupon, Back rebutted with, "I will grant you, IOHK Charles for this poop coining, for sure understands Bitcoin, applied crypto, comp sci, and game theory infinitely better than the fake Toshi. Also better than Vitalik Buterin, in my opinion, who is a bit of a word salad, smart bits and bytes, but no wisdom tech sales guy." So that's IOHK Charles, Vitalik Buterin, and Justin Sun Tron, though Justin is a better marketer, so there's that. This all-around blow against altcoins is not the first. Back is known in the crypto industry for being a Bitcoin Maximalist. So recently in a video from Charles Hoskinson, he talked about the toxicity of this maximalist mindset. Now that we're seeing so much value being brought to these other projects aside from Bitcoin, it doesn't make any sense to maintain this old mindset, thinking that Bitcoin is the only one, it's the only tried and true. There are going to be other instances of cryptocurrencies that prove as viable options. So to rebuttal this, I thought this was pretty funny. Charles Hoskinson updated his profile with a new title. He said, "Long live the king." And then in his description, he quotes, "King of the rats." So I'm glad Charles Hoskinson has a sense of humor. I think that's the best way to approach something like this. Adam Back, of course, has had this toxic mentality of Bitcoin maximalism. And I think that going forward, we're going to see a lot of value being brought to these projects aside from Bitcoin. So I wanted to share that with you guys. I think it's a bit of banter, and I think it's kind of fun to just go back and forth talking about things like that. Of course, reasonable people are able to disagree without being disagreeable, and that's a quote actually from Charles Hoskinson. So very glad to see he's taking this very lightheartedly. I wouldn't think anything of it. It's really just a bit of ignorance here that we still see remaining in the cryptocurrency space. Next up, I wanted to show you guys this here. This is a chart talking about the Google searches for buy crypto. So if you actually type in Google buy crypto, we can see that the search results are actually increasing steadily since the beginning of this year. And it's very similar to the trend that we experienced back in 2017, right before we saw that huge blow off top at the end of the bull market. So very interesting to see this, considering a lot of the sentiment in the space is now turning bullish. Of course, what we're seeing currently in the short term is a bit of a pullback. We're actually going to be taking a look at the price charts here in just a moment, but it seems like retail is actually starting to gain interest in crypto. Another piece of news, I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys this here, Emurgo expanding Cardano ADA adoption to major retail brands through Bidali partnership. Bidali is a Canadian payment processor that offers next-generation digital currency payment solutions. They offer gift cards to more than 1,200 different major retail brands, such as Amazon, Nike, Starbucks. And with this news, we will now be able to see ADA users are able to purchase name brand retail gift cards to use in any desired region with their ADA at an equivalent fiat value. In line with Emurgo's objective to drive Cardano adoption, this strategic partnership offers real-world commercial use case for ADA and further increases its liquidity. So taking a look at their website, a lot of these name brands are very familiar. Things like Amazon, we can see American Airlines, Apple iTunes, Chipotle. I think Rick had a good idea saying Taco Tuesday is today, so that would be pretty awesome, being able to convert your ADA into real spendable money that you can actually go to your favorite retailer and either spend online or actually go into the store. So very interesting to see that. I think that as far as driving the adoption, use, and utility for Cardano ADA, this is an incredible step from Emurgo in the right direction. And last up, for those of you who have stuck around to the very end, thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you did find some value from this video, please be sure to drop a like for me. As far as what we're seeing right now, we did definitely break out of that upwards trend, seeing quite a bit of a pullback here on the price. The overall crypto market definitely is experiencing a bit of a dip. As far as what we're looking at for the price chart for Cardano USD, I've got an idea pulled up here from Alexander Harford, and he's showing here we've got some levels of support and resistance. Currently, right now, the price is testing support. So as far as the price going in the immediate term, I don't think that this is any reason to panic. Of course, if you are trading this, definitely be careful. Make sure you have your stops put in place. But this is something that I'm looking at as an opportunity. And of course, you guys know we don't offer any type of financial advice. Please be sure to do your own research before you do any type of investing. But currently right now, we're seeing the price testing support, and we're seeing some oversold action here on the RSI. So very interesting to see where we could potentially go from here. Could we go lower? Absolutely. As far as the next level of price action to get across, I think we're definitely going to see some resistance getting back up above this 12-cent level. So let me know what you guys think. Are you guys accumulating ADA on this dip? Let me know down in the comments section. I would love to hear from you guys. Anyway, everyone, thank you all so much for watching. I really do hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.